Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-accounts in your chart of accounts in Zoho Books. Sub-accounts are a powerful way to organize your financial data more granularly, allowing you to track specific categories under broader account types without cluttering your main chart of accounts. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. This will bring you to the Zoho Books homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and click it. Enter your Zoho credentials to log into your account. Make sure you're using the login associated with your Zoho Books subscription, as this will give you full access to all accounting features. After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various modules for managing different aspects of your business. Click on the Accountant module, which will expand to reveal several accounting-related options. This is where you'll manage your financial structure and reporting. Within the expanded Accountant menu, click on Chart of Accounts. This section displays all your existing accounts organized by type, making it easy to see your complete financial structure at a glance. Now, to create a new sub-account, click the New Account button located at the top right corner of the Chart of Accounts page. This will open a Create Account pop-up where you'll configure your sub-account. In the pop-up, start by selecting the appropriate account type from the drop-down list. This determines how the account will be categorized for reporting purposes. Next, type in the account name for your new sub-account. Choose a name that clearly identifies its purpose within your accounting system. Here's the crucial step. Check the box labeled Make this a sub-account. This option transforms your account into a sub-account that will nest under a parent account. Once you check this box, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Parent Account appear. Click on this drop-down and select the main account under which you want this sub-account to be organized. This hierarchical structure helps you maintain clean, organized financial records. If you want to add more detail, you can optionally enter an account code for easier identification and better organization, especially useful if you're managing many accounts. You can also add a description to provide additional context about what this sub-account tracks. Finally, click Save to create the sub-account and add it to your chart of accounts. Your new sub-account will now appear nested under the parent account you selected, giving you a more detailed view of your finances. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.